Okay, hi there. So I'm going to talk about how to deploy your Sapper app with Heroku, and it's really easy. It just takes like 1 or 2 minutes. Um, and what you're going to need for that is a Heroku account. So come to Heroku and sign up if you haven't already. You can put that. You're just follow the instructions. You're also going to need to have Git installed locally, and you'll need a Sapper app to deploy. So you can just follow those to start it. And I already did that, so I have my Sapper app here. All I did was change the image there of Borat. So it's right here. Okay, so I've got my Sapper app right there. So I'm going to stop running the server so that I can deploy it. Okay, so getting started. Introduction, skip that. So you'll need Heroku installed as well. So you'll need Git installed and Heroku installed. And when I say Git installed, you just need to be able to run the Git like that. Um, okay, so first thing you're going to do is Heroku Login. So this will just log you into Heroku on your machine. You're going to press any key to open up this here, and then you log in and you put in your credentials. I've already logged in, so it just logs you in automatically. Okay, so now I'm logged in. Next thing you're going to need to do is, well, so you Heroku login, and then next thing you're going to do is git clone. So this is if you already have a project in a Git repository, then you can git clone it. But if you just installed it here from the command line like this, your Sapper project, and you've been working on it, and if you already have a Git, if you've already started your Git repository and all that, that's great. So I'm going to git init, and then git status, just if you want to see the status, and then you can add everything, and then commit. Okay, so now it's ready to be deployed. So next thing you're going to do after you've set up your Git repository is Heroku Create, like this. And that'll create the app for you. And then it's just as simple as git push Heroku master. And that's going to take a while. I have another one over here. So after that is all done running, so pretend like that has finished running, then you're going to do Heroku open. And that will open up your app at this link here, and you can copy and paste it and share it with all your friends. And then if you want a URL, then you're gonna have to figure that out on your own. Okay, I think that's all. So let me know if you have any questions, and bye.